Welcome into Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial we will see how to take the screenshot in Selenium. We will take the complete screenshot of this page by Selenium. So let's begin. First we need to add the file utils class import org.apache.commons.io.file utils. Now we need to add the take screenshot class dot selenium, and we want to take the screenshot dot take screenshot. First we will go to the URL driver.getString. We want to take the screenshot of this page. Here enter the URL. Now we need to add the take screenshot. Screenshot is equal take screenshot and driver. After this line is used for take screenshot. Now we need to save the screenshot into desired location. File, source is equal to screenshot dot get screenshot as output type. Output type. Output type and file. We need to import this file class. Now we need to save this screenshot into desired location. File, utils dot copy file and source comma new. Here we enter the path where we want to save this screenshot. Create the folder and copy this path and paste here, and we want to save our screenshot with screen.png. Now we will print screenshot is successfully captured. Let's run this script and see what happened. First it will navigate to this URL and get the complete screenshot of this page. Chrome driver is successfully opening, and now we will check in this path our screenshot is successfully captured. Here complete page of screenshot is captured. Use take screenshot method to capture the screenshot. First we need to capture the screenshot, then we need to save this screenshot into desired location. And here we save the screenshot into a specific folder. To save the folder, and in this line we print the screenshot is successfully captured in console. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.